Hello everyone, how are we doing? Happy Sunday. I hope we all enjoy our weekend. So without really wasting much of our time, I really want to make this video as fast as possible. Like I don't really want to waste much time on this video. So I want to quickly share with us guys what I'm looking at as the market is about to open in a few hours time. So here is Europe USD as you can see right from the 1 hours time frame. So let me quickly explain to us guys what I'm looking at for to see market really delivering to us. So on Europe USD, I'm looking for long position. Right, I'm looking for long position right from this demand zone right here. Like I would really love to give us much detail on the reason why I'm looking at this demand zone, but like I said, I don't really want to make this video so long. But I just want to show us guys the areas of interest where I'm personally looking at price should really react off from, and then I wait for my confirmation, then I start taking action. So on Europe USD, if the market opens, I expect to see price really deliver to this demand zone right here. And the reason why I'm really looking at price should deliver to this demand zone right here, we can see we have some form of imbalances right here that our price have not been yet filled. And we have liquidity that potentially price can come for. And then we have this last before the up move candle that really caused this break of this high. And also this high, because if you look at our right hand side, we will discover that this high right here has already been taken out, right. This high has already been taken out, and looking at the overall bias from the higher time frame, which is from the daily time frame, we understand that the Europe USD is trending bullish. So whatever we should be looking for more is longs, right. And with what the 1 hours time frame is really delivering, is delivering a nice opportunity to go long, right. So on Europe USD, I'm really looking to go long right from this demand zone right here, right. So this area where I identify as my POI is my lower time frame refinement, where I refine my higher time frame, which is the 1 hours time frame demand zone, more on the lower time frame to be more precisely, right. So this is where I'm really looking at. This is what I'm really looking at on Europe USD. I'm looking at price should sell down to this demand zone and then give me my lower time frame confirmation. Then I take long, targeting this weak high and those liquidity that are resting above those high. We have liquidity right here and we also have this liquidity above this high right here. And this will be our overall area of targeting right here. This will be our overall area of targeting. So this is the simple idea that I'm looking at on Europe USD. Like I don't really make my idea is complicated idea. I try to simplify my way of trading and the way I generate my idea. So this is what I'm really looking at on Europe USD. And potentially you can see this was my last week trade idea, which I was really looking at, this demand zone right here for price to really hold, which you can see how price really deliver to that demand zone perfectly. So there is a reason behind these longs, right? So I'm not just looking for the longs because structure is bullish. There is a reason, right? We have where price react off from, we have, a confirmation, and then, I want to see, price really going long. And before that long, I want to see a pullback, then we go to the upside. So this is my really simple trade idea on Europe USD. So real quick, let's go to GBP USD. On GBP USD, I'm also looking at longs. You know that GBP Europe USD, they are correlated pair, right? They are correlated pair. So this is what I'm currently looking at on GBP USD. Last week, I was able to capitalize on this up move, which is a very nice trade for me last week. So I'm still looking to go long on GBP USD because the overall bias from the daily is still bullish, right? And as the daily is trending bullish, what we should look at for more is longs, right? Remember, as a trader, you should always follow the overall trend of the market from the higher time frame, and you want to also make sure that the lower time frame is also aligning with the overall bias of the market from the higher time frame. That alone will make your trading idea to be more high probable than trying to go against the trend, right? So right from the daily, we are bullish, 4 hour bullish, 1 hours time frame bullish. The same thing goes to Europe US. That's why I'm looking for those longs, right? That's why I'm looking for those longs. So I'm looking for price to what sell down to this demand zone. Then I want to see a confirmation once my demand zone has been confirmed and I see my entry model showing up on the lower time frame, then I'll start looking to go long, targeting this weak high, and probably I believe we have some areas of targeting that we can potentially look at for here, which we can see price is not really playing at the price action, but I'm very sure that we have a lot of areas of targeting that we can look at for as a high, as a long term areas of targeting, right? So this is what I'm simply looking at on Euro on GBP USD. So if this demand zone right here will not hold, potentially I'll be looking at this demand zone. And because I really want to make these videos a very quick one, just showing us guys what I'm looking at. I have no opportunity to really give us a deep detail on the reason why I'm looking at those demands on for targeting. But I don't just look at my areas of supply and demand zone, because they just look clean, they look good to target. I don't just look at it like that. I have confluences, I have confirmation that I want to make sure I look out for in order for me to look at my supply and my demand zone, for targeting. So, I see this demand zone right here is also is really aligning with what I actually look out for, when looking for my targeting. That's my plan for actually highlighting my supply and my demands will actually meet up with my plan, my idea, everything. So the same thing goes to this. So if this demands one right here won't really hold, I'm looking after this one right here. And all I want to confirm them. I don't just want to go aggressively because I don't love going aggressively on my trade idea. I always go with confirmation. So this is what I'm really looking at on GBP USD. If you are interested in the trade idea and if that the idea makes sense to you, you can add it to your watch list. It's very, very simple. And like I said to us guys, I don't complicate the way I do my things. I keep it simple, right? So let's quickly go to GBP JPY. Let me share with us guys what I'm looking at on GBP JPY. GBP JPY, the overall is bullish, but currently I'm expecting price to start pushing back to create a new higher low from the daily time frame. So we can see that we have started changing in structure from the 4 hour to the 1 hours time frame. Looking at the 1 hours time frame make more sense than the 4 hours time frame for me. So we have our first break right here. We have our first break to the downside. We have a pullback. We have another second break, right? So this alone is confirming that the daily is ready to start selling down massively before we start, you know, going that before we start seeing that overall buy, right? Right? Before we start seeing that overall buy, because the overall sentiment is bearish. But currently now, market is trying to correct itself, trying to form that new higher low. So as you know, with the understanding of multiple time frame analysis and the way the market actually moves, understand that when the daily is contracting, probably will be seeing some opportunity to take advantage of on the lower time frame. This is the reason why I'm looking to go short on this. But keep it in mind, I want to see a confirmation before I start going short right here. So this is where I'm looking to go short. Like I said, I want to see a confirmation. Once price confirm, this will be the only reason why I'll be taking my short on GBP JPY. I want to see a confirmation. So this is my trade idea on GBP JPY. So those are the three pairs that I want to quickly share with us guys this week. And then if you really find them interested, you can add it to your watch list. Let's all wait for the probability to play out. And I want us guys to keep this in mind that whatsoever I'm looking at in this market is a pure probability game. I'm just observing the masses and doing the opposite. Because I highlighted those two to us does not mean that price must respectively do what I'm expecting, right? The market can decide to do its thing. What I want us guys to keep in mind that I'm also trading a probability, right? I'm just trading a probability, right? And waiting for my idea to play out. Once it play out and what I'm expecting actually showed up, that is when I will trade. So thank you for really watching. And if you really find this very valuable, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop my weekly review like this, you'll be able to notify. So thank you, family. Peace out. I wish us guys all a profitable week. Let's go.